In this video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Drive video in WordPress. So in order to do this, first thing you need to do is to head over right here to their website, which is wordpress.com. In this, you just need to head over and then log in if you already have an account, just like I did, or click onto this Get Started option right here if you do not have an account yet. So from in there, you should be able to create your website on your own right here. So on my case, I already created an account and a website as well. So this is what it looks like. Now I have in here this video that I want to embed. So in order to embed this Google Drive video that I have, let's head back to our website and then locate wherein you want to add this. So on my case, I'll head over and then add it right around here. So on the bottom. Just head over and click onto this plus icon. And in this, you can head over and then locate the embed option or the video option right here. Here's our video option. You can upload a media library or upload a new one, or you can also embed if you would want. In this case, let's try this video and let's put it on this right here. Just drag and drop it. Now in this, you have the option to upload the video, media library, or insert from URL. So in this, just head over and click onto this insert from URL. Head over it here to your Google Drive. And then on this case, head over and click onto the share option. Make sure right here that the actual restriction or access is anyone with the link as a viewer and copy this. Once you have copied it, head back right here and paste your URL, enter it, and then wait for this to be embedded into your site. You also have the option to resize it if you want to. So as you can see, it's now been added and you can now head over and then play it if you would want. So that's how you embed Google Drive video in WordPress. Hope we helped.